your good name, and at least security. You will not go home a poor person. You will not be a rich person. Judicial officers are not supposed to be rich. Want to be rich, go back to private practice or go somewhere else. Be a corporation secretary. In the judicial service, your greatest reward is self-fulfillment. When after delivering judgment, or when you know that a witness has come from Uganda up to here, and you did everything, you sat up to 7 or 8 p.m. so that you can conclude, and they're not burdened to come back again. You go home and you sleep very peacefully despite the fact that you are tired, because you're fulfilled. Like this. Thank you. If you go home and you question yourself, did I do right or did I not do right? Then there is a problem. You prepared your ruling, you prepared your judgment. If you still question yourself, do more consultation. Law is a profession. You are permitted to ask your friends, you are permitted to ask your seniors, you are permitted to ask the Chief Justice. I have a case, there is this question of law. Don't tell me it is between Namokas and whoever. Say the legal issue is this. The facts are this, these are legal issues. You're permitted, but not from lawyers, not from outside, from within the family. Consult, so that when you make a decision, you go home and you sleep peacefully. You know that you've done right. You can be wrong. That's why there is provisions for appellate courts. But while the matter is before you, give it your whole. Because you are there, you are doing God's work. You are doing God's work because judgment comes from God. If you allow Satan to intervene between you and God, on the day of judgment, they'll ask you that this is the judgment you rendered the other time, and we would like to render you the same judgment, and you know what it means. Equality. The saying is that law is blind, justice is blind. Please render justice as a blind. You see no difference. Gender, religion, ethnicity, tribes, race, economic station in society. You're the one going to be in charge of your court. Again, both the Deputy Chief Justice and the Principal Judge spoke on this. Be very firm in your court. Take charge of your court. Don't allow anybody to come and arm twist you or intimidate you. Be very firm. A senior lawyer will come and treat you like a child. The senior lawyer might be the brother of your dad, yes. But the court is bigger than that senior lawyer. And you are the court. While you sit in judgment, when you sit in your court, you are the one in charge. If the Chief Justice is moving around, you didn't know he was coming, and he finds you in court, stop quaking that the Chief Justice has come. He has found you in court, he must wait. For me, I'll give you marks because you made me wait because you are in court. Because rendering justice is more important than my visit. If I have other things to do, say, okay, tell us what